This is my advice if you want to start a YouTube channel and succeed as an online content creator. Now, why should you listen to me? I'm a guy who started a YouTube channel since 2017, that's like 7 years ago, with 6 different channels, of which only one started succeeding and thriving on YouTube last year, 2023. Now, I know what you hear most often. I started a YouTube channel 3 months ago and I am now monetized. Or I started this short strand and I made these figures in 4 weeks. As crazy as those may seem, it can be true. This guy isn't just there yet. I am still in process and so are you. But I learned something that started giving me a glimpse of hope, and I started seeing good results on one of my channels, which I'll be sharing in this video. So you don't have to go through all the pain, frustration and breakdown I went through while starting up. Starting up a YouTube channel is no doubt challenging in the beginning, but once you're able to crack your code, note the term, your code, then only then can you start thriving and excelling on YouTube. I know you want to make it big on YouTube and make all that money, have all that likes and so on. If you put your minds on these things at the beginning, there are chances that you might not get there. That's the problem for the small startup creator. Not because it's bad to think big and use your imaginative power, but because you simply have to start small and scale up. Look at it this way. Let's say you recently started a YouTube channel and your biggest goal at the moment is hit 1,000 subscribers and more. That's not a bad idea. Everyone should think that. But you realize that if after just 2 months on YouTube and you haven't yet achieved that goal, you begin to lose motivation for pursuing or doing YouTube. You start feeling like a failure. I've put so much into this thing, yet no one wants to click and watch my videos. No one is subscribing to my channel. I have watched a ton of YouTube experts telling me to do this and that, which I've followed religiously, yet I'm getting this ugly result. I'm so frustrated and tired. Maybe I should quit. Or what if it is like this? Alright, I want to hit 1,000 subscribers, but first I'm going to make myself a goal of hitting my first 5K new subscribers, because you would probably tell your friends and family about your YouTube channel and of course they're going to subscribe. You shouldn't really count them as your subscribers. That brings up another question. Should you tell your friends and family about your YouTube channel? Allow me to derail a little. Now let's break this into 2 parts. First, telling your friends and family about your YouTube channel when you are yet to start can reduce your chances of you actually going through with starting a YouTube channel. Studies show that anytime you tell someone about an idea or a goal you have in mind, you lose a large amount of motivation needed to achieve that goal, because by then your brain will have a sense of satisfaction. However, telling someone who can help you build or help you achieve that goal can positively affect your motivation. The key point here is only tell your ideas to the right people who can help you. Secondly, telling your friends and family to subscribe to your YouTube channel isn't a bad idea if the niche you are into is exactly what they want. But it's a very bad idea if it's the other way around. For example, your mom is into cooking recipes videos and you make videos about gaming. Fine, she will subscribe, but she won't watch your videos, which is bad for the YouTube algorithm. Now let's go back. Once you hit your first 5 genuine subscribers, you realize you feel like a winner and you are pumped up to go in again to get the next first 20, 50, 100, 500, 999, 1,000. There you have it, your goal achieved. And then you can scale up and go higher. Of course you want to go higher. You can apply this principle to real life, not just YouTube alone. Make a target and walk gradually towards hitting it until you hit that very big one. Then you are golden. YouTube is not a do or die affair. You need to give yourself the time to learn, to implement and to grow. You need to keep on trying new things every single day, and that's what has kept me going. I have tried 6 channels on a normal day. You would be so frustrated and you wouldn't want to continue, but I kept on pushing and finally I am getting, it was this last year I got to my first 1,000 subscribers, and now I'm currently sitting at almost 8,000 subscribers as we are speaking. Though I'm not yet monetized, which is one of my goals of actually being on YouTube, I'm not yet monetized, but soon enough I will be monetized and I will be back here with another video telling you how I did it. Of course, when I started, I tried a lot of dangerous things, all to get subscribers, to get views. I did sub for sub, I did view for view, like for like, and all of that. But in the end, those things don't really matter if nobody likes your content because they actually like it or they really want to watch it. I want to leave this word with you. YouTube is not a do or die affair. I know many gurus will tell you, treat it as a business if you want to make money out of it. Yes, you have to treat it as a business, but we are humans, so you need to create and establish a particular frame or a schedule that will be okay for you and will also be good for your health. All you have to do is implement these simple and the right strategies. It can be very hard, it can be frustrating, it can be a lot of things, but it is always promising if you can stay through and walk your way to the end. Of course, you are going to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Like and subscribe if this was helpful to you.